Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing great. Welcome back to the Pharmacology series. This would be the lecture 3 and today we will be talking about central nervous system. So some of the topics we will be covering in this video include sedatives, hypnotics and alcohols, anti-anxiety and conscious sedation agents, anticonvulsants such as anti-Parkinson, anti-Alzheimer's, stuff like that, and psychotropics such as antipsychotic and antidepressants. So let's get started. So before we jump in, I just want to give an overview as to what the major CNS drugs target. So they usually target the GABAergic neurotransmission, or they can affect the glutamatergic neurotransmission, or they can affect dopamine or central cholinergic. They can affect serotonin or central adrenergic receptors, or they can affect electrical neurotransmission. So these are some